The brilliant trick for cooking cabbage. Insert toothpicks into the cabbage. Place in the microwave for 5 minutes. Remove the toothpicks. Cut the cabbage into small cubes and place in a bowl. Peel an onion. Chop the onion finely. Drizzle the pan with vegetable oil. Sauté the onion. Peel 2 carrots. Grate them. Sauté with the onion. Peel a few cloves of garlic. Chop finely and sauté in the pan. Put the vegetables in the bowl. Crack 2 eggs. Add flour, salt, black pepper, chili flakes, oregano. Mix with a spoon. Grate the cheese and add it to the bowl. Mix well. Shape into round croquettes. Drizzle the pan with vegetable oil. Fry the croquettes. Cut 2 cucumbers into pieces and place in a blender. Add Greek yogurt. Cut feta cheese into cubes and place in the blender. Add lemon zest, freshly squeezed lemon juice, garlic, honey, salt, black pepper, chili flakes. Blend the sauce until smooth. Fry the croquettes on the other side. Remove onto paper towels. Serve the golden croquettes with the fresh sauce, a delight that brings the whole family to the table.